Hey guys and dolls, Jane Smith back with another review for National Sandwich Day. Today we have something from Port of Subs, which I normally avoid like the plague because they don't deliver on either quality or quantity for your money. But they have a new one called the Pilgrim Griller, a Thanksgiving sandwich with turkey, stuffing, and cranberry sauce, which sounded pretty good to me. So I thought I would give them another chance. This was $4.99 for the small. So they put the bread in the panini press. I got white bread. I also added mayo to that because that's how I like my Thanksgiving sandwiches. Let's take the lid off if we can. And there you see cranberry sauce with whole cranberries, which is good. I think underneath that you see a little bit of stuffing, and underneath that is the turkey. All right. Smells pretty good. Let's see if we can't pick it up and take a bite. That's what it looks like. Cross section. Smells freaking divine. Let's go in. And this is why I don't go to Port of Subs. The bread, even though grilled on top, is somewhat soggy. The stuffing, has no flavor to it. I don't really care for thinly sliced turkey. I'd rather it was thick sliced, but Subway has a great turkey, but Subway thinks a Thanksgiving sandwich means to add cranberry mustard, and that's it. The turkey doesn't have much in the way of flavor. Let's check out some of the stuffing, if we can. There's the stuffing. Which is completely devoid of flavor. Therein is our problem. Because there's nothing wrong with cranberry sauce. That is awesome. I'll take another bite, but I don't expect any better results. Nope. And we're back. Even my tablet got bored with that review, apparently. With the sandwich, yeah. Nope. So, I was wrong to give them a second chance. I won't be going back. Cannot recommend this sandwich. Void Port of Subs like the plague. Sorry, guys. But, for you cat lovers, here's another lovely picture of my baby Altair. Isn't he pretty? He's sleeping. Alright, guys. From everyone here at the Smith household, even those dogs who are being remarkably quiet outside, I want to bid you better eating than this. Happy upcoming holidays. And most of all, take care. Bye-bye.